followed by our outstanding boxing bronze. We also invite the Philippine Olympic Committee President.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Of course, mga tumulong at higit sa lahat sa ating mga atleta. Without these great athletes, we will not surpass the Tokyo medal goal. We were not 2 consecutive #1 in Southeast Asia. At higit sa lahat ng tumulong